Hey devs, welcome back. Today we're doing something wild. We're going to simulate making a real game from scratch, step by step. Game development isn't just coding and art. It's a whole journey filled with planning, testing, creativity, and a little bit of chaos too. Step 1, design. We create the idea, the story, the look, and the feel. Let's give our game a name. How about Pixel Quest? Now, which engine do we use? If it's a mobile 2D game, I'd go with Godot. Lightweight, open source, and powerful. Next up, prototype. This is the stage where we make a small, testable version of the game. No fancy graphics yet, just testing if it's fun to play. If the gameplay feels good here, you're already 50% done. Now it's time to build the real thing. We add levels, sounds, animations, and polish the core mechanics. Some tools I love: Aseprite for pixel art, FL Studio for sound, and of course, ChatGPT for creative chaos. Now we test and break everything, play your game again and again, fix bugs, tweak performance, and let your friends try it. Trust me, they'll find bugs you didn't even know existed. And finally, launch. We prepare the trailer, the screenshots, the store page, and publish it on itch.io, Google Play, or Steam. That moment you hit publish, pure magic. But it doesn't end there. Once players start joining, your game needs updates, fixes, and new content. This is where your game grows up, and so do you as a developer. And that's the game dev life cycle, from idea to launch. Tell me in the comments, what would you name your first game? And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We're making this game together.